So hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'll cover another amazing lab, that is monitoring applications in Google Cloud. So first of all, click on Start Lab and open the Cloud Console incognito window. Wait a few seconds. First of all, if you're new to this channel, like the video and subscribe the channel. Now here it is getting signed in automatically. Sometimes you may be prompted to enter the username and password. For that, check the lab for it. Now here, click on I understand. Now here, click on I agree and then agree and continue. Now just activate the Cloud Shell. Now here just click on continue and just click on authorize. Let me increase the font size. Okay. Now what we have to do, we have to come to the lab instructions and just download the sample app from GitHub. So first of all, we need to set the project ID. How you have to set? Copy it, and you can use your personal notepad also. Just copy it, and for project ID just copy from here, replace like this only as I am showing in the video. Select all and just come back to the Cloud Shell, paste over here and hit enter. Now here let's create the folder named gcp-logging. So just run it. We have created it. Now we have to just come to this directory, and now here we will download a single Flask app. So just run it, and then we have to just unzip all the files, and now finally we have to just change the directory first of all, and then we have to modify the files. So first of all, click on open editor. It will take some time. Now you can see we have to do these things. So for that, just do one thing. Okay, come to this directory, wait for the file to fully load. We have to just come in this directory. Okay, you can see it's here. So just run it, and here you can open the main.py file. Here basically we have to add this on line number 2, and the second one on line number, you can see here 11. So here we have to use it. Okay, let me show you. On line number 11 we have to import it like this. Back here on 10 number, paste it. Now once you have pasted, and then you have pasted it, now you have to just update the requirement.txt file, copy it, open it, just hit enter, paste, and then we have to just save it. All things are correct. Make sure to cross verify and then click on save. So once it's saved, open the terminal again, run this enable command, and then run the build command. Okay, so just hit it. It will take some time, so wait for it. Meanwhile, in case you haven't subscribed the channel, do subscribe it and like the video. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. And once it's completed, we'll move forward to the next step. So finally it's showing done. Now what you have to do, you have to check the score, and now we have to just move to the next step. So basically we have to create this file, and many of you may make one mistake. What mistake? I'll show you. No need to worry about it. Just come back here, click on this, and just create a new file. So basically we did one mistake. If you know, I will tell you. We have to just update the runtime here, and then just save it. Now run this create command. Although it will work, but when you'll try to deploy that, you'll face one error, and I will show you what error and how you can fix it. Now here we have to run the build command. Now we'll be running build command, so just run this deploy command. Now what you may see here, you may get one error. So what kind of error? If you try to check the score, you won't get the score because we are getting one error. So this is because we have made one error while modifying the file. Basically, while creating this app.yml file, it was supposed to present in this directory, but it is present in design-process directory. Okay, so we have to just drag it. You can see here it's not present here, it's outside the folder. We have to just drag it. Use your mouse cursor and once click on move, it has been updated. Now we'll get the task done. Whenever you create a file, make sure to check the correct directory. You have to just click on it and make sure that directory is open and right click and new. Now just run the deploy command. It will definitely work. You can see here. Now it will take some time, so wait for it. So it may take 3 to 5 minutes, so you need to wait for it. Once it is done, come back to the lab instruction and here we can check the score. So basically now we have to just start the logs. So what you need to do, you need to open the app engine like we did in previous lab if you have followed this series. So basically come back and just open the lab. So just minimize it and on the search box type app engine. Just click on it. Now from here just remove this and here we have to just open the versions. So just click on the version page and here if you want to test the app you can test it. It will show hello GCP. Now we have to just generate the logs. So just use this scroll button, just click on diagnosis logs and here we'll be running one query. So basically once we run this query you will get the score. Remove this unwanted pop-up first of all and also close the cloud shell for now. Use this cross button to close it. Now here we have to just click on run query. It will generate some queries. And now let's try to check the score. You'll definitely get the score if you follow the way I have done. Now here we have to just initiate the SSH session by creating an SSH instance. So let's complete it together. Now on the search box type compute engine or just click on it if it's visible. Now here click on create instance. Now it's taking a bit of time, so wait for it. Now for the name, we don't have to select any name, only the region and zone to be selected. So just select the region as per your lab instruction and zone. If there is no mention, select anyone. Okay, now click on create. We don't have any zone here, so just click on create and wait for the instance to get created. So it may take 5 to 10 seconds. Mostly by 30 seconds instance will be ready. Finally the instance is now ready. Now what we have to do? We have to first of all check the score for this particular task. And then we have to initiate the SSH session. And after that we'll create the uptime checks and alerts. So let's complete it together. Okay. So initiate the SSH session. You have 3 methods. One is by using this, open the browser, and one with Qwiklabs. So many times what happens, you get this kind of error and the SSH does not work. Let me show you again. So for such cases, we have a way to complete this task. Just click on it and here just click on view gcloud command, click on run on cloud shell. Now it will initiate the SSH session, and here basically we will running the cloud shell on our, we will be running VM instance on our cloud shell. Now just click on authorize if it asks so, and then do not type anything, just hit enter. Okay, now it will initiate the session. Type Y and hit enter, enter again, enter again. Now finally it's ready. Now come back to the lab instruction, close this page. Now here just run the apt install command. Come back to the lab instruction, and here we have to run this one. So for this one you can use your personal notepad, and here on the project ID section you have to replace the project ID like this. Make sure you do not remove anything extra, just remove like this and paste over here on the your Cloud Shell VM session. Now it will take some time, and after that you will see one output like table like this. Now what we have to do, we have to just move to the next step of this lab, that is we have to just create the uptime checks and alerts. So if you want you can run also this one also, but no need to run it if you have already done the previous one. Now let's move ahead to the next step, that we have to create a uptime check. So for that, on the search box type uptime check and just click on it. Open it on a new tab. Now here just create an uptime check. So for that we have to follow some procedure. So here wait for the page to fully load once again. Remove this unwanted pop-ups. And just click on create. Now it's taking a bit. Now finally it's loaded. Now we have to enter the host name. So how to find the host name? It's present on the lab instruction. So let me show you which URL we have to paste and how we have to paste. Back over here, copy this. You can use a personal notepad also. Update the project ID from here. Replace it like this. Make sure the full stop is here. Just paste over here. Remove the slash and https slash. Now once you have done, you have to just add path to this and click on continue. Make sure the frequency is 1 minute only. Now all things are done. We have to create a notification channel. Click on add new, enter the Qwiklabs email and display also. Okay, save it. Now once you have saved, you have to click on this. If it does not show, click on refresh. Now here name we have to write. Now many of you may make mistake, like while adding the name you may make one mistake, like this mistake. You may add this alert policy name as the title in the review section, while many of you may make the app engine title issue. So here we have to be careful while adding the names. So if you make like this error, you will get no score on this task. So what you need to do, you need to just first of all change the title this. I think you did not understand. We have to name the policy. Alert policy is uptime check alert, and the review that was open, we have to name it differently. So now come back here. First of all, copy the uptime check alert and paste on this alert name. Now the next one, which we have made a mistake, we have to change it to app engine uptime check. Okay, this is the important thing you need to remember while creating it. Now click on create, and finally we'll be done with this lab. So now let's check the score, and if you're new to this channel, do like the video and subscribe the channel too. So finally the uptime check is now ready and working. Now let's move ahead and check the score. This check my progress. You'll definitely get the score if you follow the way I have done this app. And if you need any other lab and want to know about other programs, you can check the description.